Hi, we're now going to open an Excel spreadsheet or create an Excel spreadsheet from scratch. I'm clicking on the Excel icon at the bottom of the screen. I'm going to select a blank workbook, which is up here in the top left. Now in the top left here in cell A1, where I move my cursor around it, they're all called cells. It's intersection of column A and row 1. I'm going to type in the word Fred, F-R-E-D. I'll hit enter. I'm now going to save that. It's never been saved before, so I'm going to click on File, Save As. I'm going to browse on my PC and I'm going to put it into a directory called Bill's Excel files with a subdirectory of YouTube tutorials, and I'm just going to call that YouTube tutorial number 1. Click on Save. That's saved. I'm now going to get out of Excel. I'm going to get right out of Excel altogether, which is up here in the top right hand corner. I'm going to click on the X. Right, I'm now out of Excel totally. Now we've saved that file into Excel, so I'm going to come back down the bottom, click on my Excel icon, and I'm going to open. I'm going to go the long way. I'm going to click on Open here. I'm going to browse on my PC. Again, it's on my C drive. It's in Bill's Excel files. And I'm going to come down to YouTube tutorials, and there it is, YouTube tutorial 1. I'm going to select that, and I'm going to select open. And there you go, there's that file we saved. It was very simple. It's a very, very basic file. Couldn't get more basic than that. We've opened Excel, we've keyed in Fred, we've saved it, we've exited Excel, and now we've come back in and we've opened it. That's it. That's the end of this lesson. It's a very basic Excel to show you how easy Excel is. It's not scary at all. Thank you for watching this.